Hi there, Leonardo Mora. Bing me or Google me, either way. Just look for Leonardo Mora books or Gawk or Invent, and you'll find me. I'm recording 10 episodes, and about our big project called Aeterna, and this is episode 6. So let's get started. Episode 6 talks about rationality and intuition. When machines become better at thinking, humans must become better at knowing. For centuries, humanity celebrated rationality, and rightly so. Rational thought built mathematics, it built engineering, it built modern medicine, physics, computers. It allowed humans to transforming observation into theories and theories into technology. Rationality is one of civilization's greatest achievements, but rationality has a limitation. It can only operate on the information and assumptions available to it. And sometimes the most important insights arrive before the evidence is complete. That is where intuition enters. What is intuition? Intuition is often misunderstood. It is sometimes described as something mystical or psychic. But intuition can emerge from extremely sophisticated subconscious processing. The human brain constantly recognizes patterns, it integrates memories, it detects inconsistencies, it elevates subtle signals, it compares current situations with previous experience. Much of this happens without conscious awareness. The result can appear as a feeling something is wrong, or this is the direction we should investigate. That feeling is not automatically correct, but neither is it automatically irrational. It can be a hypothesis generator. The problem with pure rationality. Imagine a scientist receiving a data set containing 1 million variables. A rational system can analyze them. AI can analyze them even faster. But what if the important discovery requires asking a question that nobody thought to ask? The machine may optimize within the existing framework. The human may challenge the framework. The distinction is enormous. Rationality is powerful as at navigating a map. Intuition sometimes asks, what if we are using the wrong map? The AI advantage. AI is increasingly powerful at analytical tasks. It can process huge quantities of information. It can compare possibilities. It can identify statistical patterns. It can explore enormous research spaces. That means humans should not attempt to compete with AI by becoming slower versions of machines. Instead, humans can concentrate on capabilities that remain deeply valuable: imagination, inspiration, meaning, curiosity, judgment, creativity, purpose, and intuition. The future may therefore involve a division of cognitive labor. The new cognitive partnership. Imagine a future researcher. He has an intuition. She cannot yet explain it. She tells her AI, I think there's something important here. The AI searches, it finds thousands of related studies, it identifies contradictions, it generates possible explanations, it models each possibility. The researcher examines the result, her intuition changes, the AI explores again. Eventually, the idea becomes testable. The process is circular. Intuition, then AI exploration, then rational analysis, then human judgment, then new intuition. This could dramatically accelerate discovery. Intuition must be disciplined. There is an important warning. intuition is not truth. Humans can have terrible intuitions. Bias can masquerade as intuition, fear can masquerade as intuition, prejudice can masquerade as intuition. Wishful thinking can masquerade as intuition. Therefore, intuition must be tested. The future does not require intuition instead of rationality. It requires intuition plus rationality. One generates, the other verifies. The 4-layer intelligence model. Aeterna proposes a useful conceptual model. Into layer 1, intuition, what might be possible. Layer 2, imagination, what would it look like. Layer 3, rationality, can we demonstrate it. Layer 4, judgment, should we do it. AI can increasingly assist with layers 2 and 3, but humanity must remain deeply involved in layer 4, because civilization is ultimately not an optimization problem, it is a values problem. The civilization that can think on 2 directions. A mature civilization needs to be complementary modes of thought. One moves forward, analysis, it breaks problems apart, and the other moves outward, intuition and imagination. They connect possibilities. One asks what is true, the other asks what could be true. Civilization requires both. Science needs imagination before experimentation. Engineering needs creativity before construction. Exploration requires imagination, destinations before reaching them. And civilization itself requires imagining futures before choosing among them. Igniting human intuition. Education could deliberately cultivate intuition. Students could learn observation exercises, pattern recognition, creative problem solving, scientific hypothesis generation, cross-disciplinary thinking, reflection, experience-based decision making. They could be taught by distinguished intuition. Again, they could be taught to distinguish intuition from emotional impulse. The objective would be to develop a mind that can cooperate in uncertainty without becoming paralyzed. That may be the crucial in an AI-rich civilization. The human advantage. The future may therefore produce a surprising reversal. Machines become increasingly irrational. Humans become increasingly valuable for the ability to imagine, question, and assign meaning. The human advantage may not be calculating faster. It may be seeing differently. And perhaps this is not a retreat from intelligence, perhaps it's intelligence moving upward, from a calculation to interpretation, from interpretation to insight, from insight to wisdom. The final partnership. Aeterna does not imagine a future where humans defeat machines. It imagines something more interesting. A civilization where humans imagine, AI explores, science tests, and experience teaches, wisdom decides. That combination could become enormously powerful. But the power of billions of interconnected intelligent beings raises another question. How should civilization itself make decisions? That is our next chapter, episode number 7. Thank you.